If you're looking for two wireless microphones that not only come at an amazing price, but also offer UHF and give you two independent outputs, this just might be the mic for you. Let's get into it. Welcome back. This is Creator from We Shoot Films, where I teach about content creation, filmmaking, Unreal Engine, and also product reviews that help support all of those topics. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe today. Now, my people over at Phenyx Pro, they hit me up and asked me would I like to review their dual wireless system. And I said yes. They sent it over. And now we're going to talk about it. Now, all my thoughts are my own, all my words are my own, obviously. And you know what it is. So let's get into it. Now, like I said, Phenyx Pro sent me this dual wireless system, and you're hearing it right now because I'm using this one right here, and then we have the second one right here. But this is a UHF system, which is great because it's not on the same 2.4 gigahertz as everything else that's out there. A lot of wireless systems are based off the 2.4, so that's a very crowded, frequency versus a UHF sometimes can be more dependable and just, gives you less hassle. So it's great that they're UHF, that's for sure. Now, as I just stated, this is a dual UHF wireless microphone set. Now, this allows for 1,000 selectable frequency groups with a long range operation of 300 to 328 feet line of sight. The UHF receiver is equipped with auto scan, squelch control, and lock functions to locate the best frequency. Now, it does have an all-metal housing, and as I've stated, this is a dynamic microphone, and that's very important. And one of my favorite things about this is that it has two independent outs, and that was real important for me, so I can control them separately in post. That, for me, was the main reason I accepted to do the review, because I hate when you have microphones and they don't always, you can't control them, so having independent outputs for these is an amazing, amazing feature. Now, it also offers an RF power switch for even more stable transmission if needed. All right, so now let's talk about what's in the box. Well, in the box, you get one dual-channel wireless receiver, two UHF handheld microphones, 4 antennas. You get the audio cable that you need and a power adapter, 2 anti-rolling rings, and 4 AA batteries. And, of course, the user manual. And the battery life on these are pretty good at 16 hours. And I can say, even when you turn them off, they don't drain the battery. So that's a good thing. So what's the build quality? Build quality, have no complaints. It's got enough weight, but it's not too heavy. Doesn't feel cheap. It's all metal housing. The receiver to the microphones, everything is pristine. It's built very well, looks very great. The LCD screens are fine. You can read them out very, easily. So I have no issues with the build quality on this, and I'm happy with it, definitely. This is a rackable system, so you can put it in a rack if you want to. It has the power button in the front. You have the volume controls, A and B. The LED readout is very great. It tells you all the information that you need right there. And it's bright and it's great. It really looks good. So in the back, you have 2 antennas, and all you got to do is just slide them right in, turn them, and they lock right in, no problem. You also have 2 XLR independent outputs and a 1/4 output that combines the audio together, which I personally wouldn't use that much, but you can use that probably to send to another signal or send somewhere else just for a reference mix or something. But personally, I would stick to keeping them independent and using those as your main, if you can. Then you have obviously where to place your power. That pretty much covers it for the back. Now the mic itself, pretty simple. You can open this up here, and this is where you would place the batteries at here, 2 AA batteries right here. This right here and back here is your RF switch where you can put it to high to low. Then on the bottom here, which I like that it has it in the bottom. In the bottom, you press this and you could turn it on. You can also mute it from the bottom, because I like that from down there, because sometimes if you're holding it up here, you can mistakenly hit the mute button or turn it off even if you're doing something. So that can't happen up here. So it was smart for them to place that in the bottom here, the on and off and mute system. So that's cool. But it's basic, simple. It's simple. It's basic. It's simple. You get your little readout here, your battery life on the screen itself and all of that. So that's pretty much the handheld mic itself. So I like it. Now, like I said, this is a UHF system, which, a lot of the stuff out here nowadays is 2.4 gigahertz, so it's very crowded. So UHF is a more reliable system most of the time. It's going to give you a better transmission. It's not competing with so much stuff. These microphones are great for this type of situation. These microphones are amazing for rooms that are not treated, okay? When you got a lot of echo in the room, it's not, all that type of stuff. You're in a situation where the room is noisy. Because I tell you, these got to be one of the most isolated voice. It isolates your voice amazingly. I'm not even fronting. Like, I got a lot of dynamic microphones, but this thing really isolates your voice. It's very, very directional, and that's what I love about this, which is great for things that you would use this for. And what I also like, for some reason, if you happen to ruin the capsule or grill in here, you can remove them, change them, and there you go. Keep it moving. You know what I'm saying? So they're very, they should stay with you for a pretty long time. And I tell you, I haven't had any dropouts, any problems with these, so far now. That saying that, it can happen. Obviously, whenever you're dealing with wireless systems, anything can happen because you're depending on the wireless system, So you want to still make sure that you keep monitoring these things. And whenever you use them, monitor them, because you never know. You might need to change frequencies. You might be getting a little white noise here and there. So you change your frequencies until you dial in something that sounds better. Just in case. Sometimes you might not ever have to deal with that. But again, always monitor these. That's in general. Any audio you monitor, but especially when they're wireless also. Just never just leave it up to chance, especially if they're giving you some paper. You feel me? The best scenario for these is, it's almost any scenario, to be real with you. I love wireless things because I hate dealing with cables. But when you're dealing with like weddings, events, podcasts, and again, because they're so directional, it's really not going to pick up the rest of the room like other microphones will. This thing is going to just be focused on you. You know what I'm saying? Unless the person is off on the mic, and that's always the dangerous part, because when you get microphones that are this directional, sometimes you got to make sure the person keeps stay in the right place. But yeah, these situations, content creation like this is a great thing for these microphones if you like these type of microphones. But I would say, podcasts, events, anything in a place that not room treated, or it's just a lot of people making a lot of noise, these things are going to shine for sure. They come like this, and technically this is a pop filter in here and all of that good stuff, but I would say still get another one, okay? Buy one anyway. These things are cheap, just like you see me right here with one. I say still buy one, put one on them, you know what I'm saying? And it just gives you more security for them plosives, because even sometimes with these, the plosives can do things. So just, I would say buy one of these anyway. You'll be better off. Trust me. Now, you've been listening to this whole time, okay? And this is what it sounds like, right? Now, I don't see why people want to keep this stuff raw. They want to hear, hey, what does it sound raw? Who cares? I'm going to be real with you. We all have a way to process this stuff. And now even with DaVinci Resolve, especially with the DaVinci Resolve 20, they make it even easier. You hit a button and it just processes this, puts some noise isolation, voice isolation, compression, everything, and it just cleans everything up for you. And this is what it sounds like. This is what I've been using right now, is with the DaVinci Resolve auto mix system. It just did it for me. Usually I've been doing it myself, but hey, it does a pretty good job, I gotta say. Sometimes it does a little too much with the voice isolation, but I go in and tweak it a little bit. But this has basically been with the effects on it the whole time, and it sounds great. So if you have these things available to you to make these things sound even better, why not want to listen to it the way it should sound, sound better? I don't know. But in case you don't like that, let you hear this by itself, just raw. Okay, so this is what it sounds like No processing, no compression, EQing, nothing. No voice ice, nothing. This is raw, straight up, just what it is. This is what it sounds like. 1 2 1 2. It's the Phenyx Pro for you. What you gonna do? You gonna come through? Yeah, I got them bars, I keep telling y'all. So my final thoughts. I think this thing is amazing. I think for the budget price of about $300 right now, I saw it as far as right now. I don't know if it's going to change, but for $300 right now, you're getting two of these, both independent outputs that you can control and post. I mean, it's all metal built. It's built very well. It's not cheaply made. I don't have a con to these at all. Like I keep my cons very limited because how can you con something that's at this price point giving you that much flexibility, you know, especially the independent outputs. Like you don't find that a lot. At least I don't know of any of that at this price point giving you two independent outputs that sound good at the same time. You know what I mean? So I would say these things are amazing for the price. If you're looking for anything like this, pick it up today because, you know, they're great. I'm not going to get rid of these. I'm going to keep these and use them all the time. And I would suggest you do the same if you need these types, okay? There's different type of microphones for different situations. But I got to tell you, this thing is dope because it isolates your voice, gives you two independent outs, and it's at a great price. So hopefully if you've been looking for something like this helped you out. I'll leave any links in the description below. There's no extra cost to you. Just help support the channel a little bit. Appreciate if you would use that link. And other than that, that's about it, man. Hopefully this helped you out if you was looking into these. Again, we've been hearing it all this time. It sounds amazing. Sounds great. And there we go. So make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.